Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to fix profile view history that is not available on your device. So all you have to do is watch the video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you'll have to open up your TikTok application. So as you open up your TikTok application, so after that, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. So once you tap on the profile icon, next you will be directed into your profile page. So over here, you'll have to tap on the try bar icon in the top right corner of your screen. So after you tap on the try bar icon, so from the drop down menu, tap on settings and privacy. So after you tap on settings and privacy, there are multiple options. So from here, you'll have to tap on privacy, which is on the second option. So as you tap on privacy on the other page, scroll down right to the bottom, and on the second last option, you can see there is profile view. In case if you don't have this option, then it means you have to update your application. So in order to update your application, all you have to do is just simply go back to your home screen and then open up your Play Store application, and then on the search box type in TikTok. So as you type in the name of an application on the other page, you can see that instead of open, if you have update, which means that the update is available and you need to update your application in order to have more feature on your device. So updating your application might be able to fix your issue, and that is how you can fix profile view history not available on TikTok. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.